Welcome to this full moon meditation. This session can be done at any time you wish, even under the full moon itself. First, if the moon is full tonight, find a location where you can see the moon while lying down if you can. Allowing its moonlight to caress your skin would be even better. The crisp moonlight is something that is said to cleanse the skin and detox the earth. See if you notice this effect from the moon rays wherever you feel them. Make sure you are in a nice, comfortable position and you will not be disturbed by anyone or anything for the duration of this session. You may sit comfortably in a chair or on a meditation cushion if you have one, or you may lie down or sit comfortably anywhere you feel comfortable. The most important thing is that you feel able to relax in a place where you will be undisturbed. Now begin to take a long, slow and deep breath in. Breathing out and relaxing. You may close your eyes now. Settle into the space around you. Feel the weight of your body on the ground. Feel the position of your hands in your lap or by your sides. Allow the natural pull of gravity to help you to relax and let go. Be here now. As you inhale and exhale, relax your face and jaw. Allow your muscles to relax and let go of whatever you are holding on to. Put your worries and to-do lists aside for now. Be in the moment and trust in the light and powerful energy of the full moon. You can lightly scan through your body and just notice any places of tension that you may have. Allow them to be there. Simply observe as you continue to breathe calmly. Now imagine a powerful white and silver light beaming down from above the crown of your head. This light has a pure, calm, and loving energy that soaks through your entire being, filling you with light. Now bring to your mind that which you no longer want in your life. The things you wish to release that do not serve you, allow them to linger for a moment in your mind's eye. If you like, you can visualize them as a color or an object. See them floating in front of you. Now say out loud or in your mind, I release you under the light of this sacred and magical full moon. I no longer need what does not serve or empower me. I release you under the light of this sacred and magical full moon. I no longer need what does not serve or empower me. I release you under the light of this sacred and magical full moon. I no longer need what does not serve or empower me. You may do this releasing one by one for each of the burdens and obstacles you wish to surrender. So say in your mind, I release this unworthiness. I release this doubt. I release this fear and anger. I release resentment. I release judgment. I release envy and comparisons. I release relationships that do not serve me. I release toxic people and situations. As you have said these affirmations, imagine each of the things, habits, people, behaviors, or thought patterns that you wish to release disappearing in the full and powerful light of this moon. See them dissolve, consumed, floating away into the infinite light of pure goodness. You may take as long as you need to do this. Visualize each thing as it is released from your life and consumed by the burning, powerful light of the silvery moon and its deep cleansing abilities. Feel the weight of each burden released. Feel light as a feather as you relax and let go. You may repeat to yourself this mantra now. Under the light of this beautiful, powerful, and healing full moon, I release you from my life with love. I forgive you and I forgive myself for the past mistakes. Thank you for the lessons, and now I release you. Feel yourself lifted and renewed as the toxic weight of all you have released disappears. Now focus your mind on a feeling of gratitude. Feel deep appreciation for all that you have and all that is yet to come into your life. You may set your intentions now for the month to come. Say to yourself, I welcome all that is now coming to me for my highest good. I look forward to the clarity, peace, love, abundance, and positivity that are heading my way. I give thanks for the blessings I receive and rejoice in their wonder. Now remain here, breathing comfortably and basking in the glow of knowing your intentions will be made manifest. Feel them now as if they already are present in your life. As you are resting in this moment, you notice that your energy is lighter. You feel the heaviness that was before not so weighted now in your spirit. And you notice what that feels like. Feel that energy like a cocoon comfortably wrapped around you. Don't try to dissect it or interpret it, but just notice it. Your inner sight becomes clearer, and you notice your awareness more as it comes into your focus. When your thoughts stray, know that that is totally okay. Gently come back to here and now. You may start noticing the gaps in your stray thoughts. Pay them attention. Those spaces where intellect and learned knowledge are bypassed, and the thread of us connecting with our spirit brushed past the thread of the universe as it gently collides in this stillness. And we take our time to listen for the next few minutes to the energy this brings. You are here because you are meant to be here. You are listening and noticing what your spirit needs. And this energy, this calm, breathing space around you feels like home. Allow yourself to enjoy it. This is what you deserve, and this is where you can say, I am okay right now. For the next few minutes, you are in this place of discovery and you listen. Stay here as long as you need in the sensation of gratitude and appreciation. And if you feel like you are ready, whenever you are ready, bring yourself back to the room and open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining with me in this full moon meditation. Namaste.